Look out at our world. See the swirling white clouds from above, the deep blue oceans, the vast green forests. It is a planet of breathtaking complexity, a delicate dance of air, water, and life that has unfolded over billions of years. For generations, we have looked upon this home with awe, but that awe is now mixed with a deep and growing worry. Our planet is warming, the ice is melting, the seas are rising, and the weather is becoming more violent. This set of powerful and perilous ideas is called geo-engineering. Geo-engineering is the deliberate, large-scale manipulation of Earth's systems to counteract climate change. It is humanity considering a role once reserved for geology and the cosmos, the role of planet shaper. The ideas are as grand as they are daunting, born from ingenuity and a hope to protect our world. But these are profound interventions into the planet's machinery. They carry immense promise and immense risk. They test the limits of our technology and the limits of our wisdom. Imagine a vision from a near future. Fleets paint a thin sun shield in the stratosphere. Ships spark blooms in the deep blue. Machines pull warming gases from the air. One of the most direct ideas is carbon capture. The concept is straightforward. It mirrors a process nature perfected over eons. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide through leaves, stems, and roots. Carbon capture aims to do the same with machines. Some fit power plant smokestacks. Some serve factories. Others pull CO2 directly from ambient air. Once captured, carbon must be stored safely, underground or bound into stone. The benefit: address excess CO2, the root cause. Remove heat-trapping gas, slow ocean acidification. But it's expensive, energy-hungry, and scale is daunting. Another path is solar radiation management. It doesn't remove carbon, it's about less sunlight reaching the surface, like creating partial shade for the world. Tiny sulfates high in the stratosphere reflect sunlight. A fleet disperses particles to spread globally, reflecting 1 or 2% back to space, mimicking post-volcanic cooling. Its advantage is speed, effects within years. An emergency brake near dangerous tipping points. But it doesn't stop CO2 from rising, or ocean acidification. It could disrupt rainfall, shifting vital monsoons. Skies may haze, ozone chemistry could shift, and the gravest risk, termination shock. If halted abruptly, hidden warming surges back, fast and catastrophic. The oceans have absorbed vast heat and carbon. One idea: add missing nutrients to boost uptake. Phytoplankton, tiny plants at the base of the food web, use sunlight and CO2 to grow. In many regions, iron limits growth. Seed iron spark a bloom. Blooms absorb carbon near the surface, and some sinks, locking carbon for centuries. But blooms could reshape the marine food web. We don't know which species would dominate, or whether potent gases like methane or nitrous oxide increase. Decomposition could create low-oxygen dead zones, harming fisheries people depend on. Tinker here, disrupt livelihoods thousands of miles away. Not all solutions are high-tech. Rewilding is simple in principle. Let nature do the work. Restore ecosystems to absorb and store carbon. Protect forests. Revive wetlands, mangroves, peatlands, powerful carbon sinks. Bring back key species to rebuild resilient landscapes. Beyond carbon, cleaner air and water, more resilient to floods and droughts. Biodiversity rebounds, new livelihoods emerge. But land is contested, and justice matters. Coexistence needs consent, planning, and patience. Restoration takes decades in a fast-changing world. Behind these ideas lies complex science, models, lab work, field trials. But Earth is one system. Small changes can cascade. We can't run perfect experiments on our only planet. So who decides? By what rules? Without governance, unilateral action could spark conflict. Justice demands we ask who benefits and who bears the risks. We need awe for our planet and for our limits. First, cut emissions and restore nature, the safest, surest path. Study geoengineering with transparency, inclusion, and consent. These are powerful, risky tools, no magic wands. Act with humility and respect for life's intricate web. The future of this blue and green planet depends on it.